Variation. Variation is when there are different characteristics between individuals of the same species. Variation means that individuals of the same species will have different genetic and physical characteristics from one another. Some of the variations in a species are inherited. This means that the different characteristics are due to genes which have been passed down from parents during fertilization. Eye color is an example of inherited variation. Some of the variations in a species are environmental. This means that the different characteristics are due to the surroundings or how the individual lives. Tattoos are an example of environmental variation. Some of the variations in a species are both inherited and environmental. For example, you may inherit brown hair from your parents, but if you spend a lot of time outside in the sun, your natural hair color may lighten. Height and weight are both characteristics which are caused by inherited and environmental variation. They are partly caused by the genes inherited from parents, but also caused by diet and exercise, which are environmental. Having variation in a species is beneficial. Some members of a species may have inherited genes for fur colors, which make them better at camouflaging in their habitat, while some members of the species may have less ideal fur colors. The members of the species with the camouflage-colored fur will more likely evade predators and survive to reproduce. Other members of the species may not be so lucky. The offspring of the surviving members will hopefully inherit the desirable fur color. So these offspring will also be more likely to live long enough to reproduce too. Without variation, whole species can be wiped out if they are all susceptible to the same diseases, or if they are not able to escape their predators.